Hello, I'm Dennis Linkletter, owner and creator of Komodo Kamado Grills. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Komodo Kamado smoke generator. I'm going to talk to you about wood, smoke, good smoke, bad smoke, how we make it, and why it tastes better. So the first thing I want to talk to you is about wood. Wood in its natural state has liquid gas inside of it. And when it's heated, the liquid gas turns to gas. The hot gas rises up, mixes with available airflow. When the fuel-air mixture gets right, it lights as a flame, and it burns a long time because there's so much gas inside it. The problem is, if you close the lid, you cut off the oxygen supply, it turns into a thick white smoke. This is literally wood alcohol steam. That's why when it burns your eyes, it burns like crazy. That's why it sticks to your clothes. It's very sticky, makes you smell like a forest fire. It's bitter, acrid, and it gives smoking food a bad name. My hypothesis is that there's so much bad smoke being used that most of the commercial barbecue sauces are super high fructose corn syrup sweet. You can't even eat a tablespoon of them without gagging. And you ask yourself, why would they be so sweet? Well, they're trying to balance a bitter, acrid flavor profile. You take super sweet, bitter and acrid, you mix them together and you get a tangy barbecue flavor. So that's what we're trying to avoid, kneading the sauce. So you can use a smoke pot, you can use a foil pouch to trap that gas and push it back down into the hottest part of the charcoal to burn it off, or you can use something that makes the wood smolder, and that's what my smoke generator does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble this, and it goes this way. This is the ash catch. Okay, so this is the feed tube, and it's got a screen here to keep the ashes from building up inside it and sticking to all the tars and stick them and everything's sticky inside. And when you after you use this, you can take your tool for your rear hinge on your Komodo Kamado, and you can scrape out while it's cold. You can scrape out all those tars and creosote and everything that builds up inside there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure this is down, lock it into place. This is for the aquarium pump with the adjustable airflow. So what this is going to do, it's going to blow air across the feed tube, and it's going to cause just enough vacuum to keep the wood smoldering. And we can adjust the volume of smoke also that way. You don't need a big volume because it builds up inside the grill. This is just regular chips. This is cherry. You can use chips, chunks, pellets. Pellets are sort of like hot dogs. There's some that out there that have stuff in them that you probably don't want to be eating, but anything that will burn works. If you live in an area with high humidity, you might want to put these in a microwave and get a little lower the moisture content by getting some of the steam out. Because wood is hygroscopic, it'll absorb moisture from the air. So we put our lid on, we put our hose on. Now, you're going to light them through these holes. You're going to light the smoker through these holes. So you can use a torch, you can use a luft lighter, anything works. As you can see, the smoke's already coming out. And at the beginning, because this is so hot, it's going to be a little bit dirty, but it'll clean up very quickly. And you can see, this is going to be too hot right now, and I have to let it cool off, but you can adjust the airflow, and it'll start blowing clean smoke. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to install this in the grill. So this is the faceplate, and you unscrew this. Now this wing nut needs to be about there because we're going to turn this to about 1 o'clock to get it to fit. As you see, we really got nice clean smoke. So we're going to take this and we're going to put it to about 1 o'clock, and then you just tighten up this this wing nut, and we're installed. And as you can see, there's already nice light smoke in there, and that just runs as long as you want. You can keep filling it up. You can use this for hot smoking. You can use this for cold smoking. Cold smoking just means it doesn't generate enough heat to cook the food. So without charcoal, you can put cheese in there. You can put ice cubes with like Bloody Mary mix, and you can smoke them to get smoked drinks, but you can smoke anything. I use it for cold smoking. I use it when I'm doing reverse sear on a steak. I use it all the time. I pretty much use it every time. And that's about as easy a way you can make beautiful smoke on command as possible. I'm Dennis Linkletter. Thank you very much for your time, and now you know about my smoke generator.